Hello, nature lovers. I'm just fucking with you a little bit. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys, my family, about nature, about psychedelics and nature. I'm gonna reflect on some comments that were posted in my videos, not because I care, just because I wanna point out a few things in life that people don't seem to really get about nature and plants. And first of all, psychedelics are not a drug. They're the type of meditation. It's not drugs. You're not an addict. You're meditating. If you're taking it with the cause to reach a higher state of your being, learning things and growing, then it's a type of meditation. It can even be accidental meditation if you take psychedelics. It's like a vital part of life. It's just as important as having sex or having a child or just anything. It's part of the human experience to evolve your consciousness. It's just plain and simple, like Terence McKenna said. It's part of our nature to do, to expand our mind and learn more about ourselves and the universe and everything, and the oneness that everything's connected. It's like meditating for 5 hours and you reach like Om stage and you're like God and one with life. That's psychedelics for you. Pop 3 tabs and you're there, my brother. I'm just playing around, but basically like that. Pop some acid, take some shrooms, smoke some DMT. My favorite type of meditation. Smoke a joint, of course, while doing it all of these things. It's just a necessity. No, I'm just joking. But all of these things are meditations. They're not drugs. And if you don't understand the difference between drugs that a pharmaceutical company makes that Mother Nature didn't give us, in a way, we just made some lab things that makes us sick and we haven't even tested them properly, or the herbs like weed or shrooms that grows directly from the ground, that Mother Nature gave us as a blessing for us to feel more in love with life and enlightened, then I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. It's not drugs, it's plants. That's what I've been saying, guys. You haven't been watching close. I'm just having fun today.
This is a good one. I like it.
In general, there was even some guy, he told me to kill myself. He went so far that he didn't agree with my view, that he said that I should kill myself. Then it's like, guys, people, to all you haters and doubters out there, there's always going to be people who don't believe in your dreams, but don't mind them. Those who matter don't mind, and those who mind don't matter, or the other way around.
Yes, it's that way. Those that matter don't mind, and those that mind don't matter.
If you only flame someone on their YouTube comments, or in general in life when someone does something and try to strive for their goal, and you're constantly gossiping about them, or you're trying to put them down, you're saying negative things, which is not even harsh critic. Like you can be critical of something and say like, hey bro, I think this is nice, but this is not so nice, and you can like help people grow with critical thinking. But if you're like, kill yourself, you fucking drug addict, stop what the fuck you're doing, oh what the fuck is this, that just shows more about them, you, whoever is watching. If you feel triggered, this is only for the people who feel offended, the offended people, the victim people. But if you have the energy to do these type of things in your life, to flame people online in comments and things like this, like, oh you fucking idiot, you this, you fucking drug addict, you're stupid, oh kill yourself you motherfucker, that just shows in your life hatred stems from people who hate their own existence. That's just period. That's how it is. So if you feel all of these things and you feel like you have to have this negative output on other people, it's probably because you're hiding something within yourself that you don't feel okay with. And it just says a lot when people comment like that, and they think they're being the funny one or the blah blah blah, but it just shows that they're immature. They don't really love themselves, because if you truly love yourself, then you have no reason to put other people down. That's just facts. Hello, me spitting facts right here. The spliff for you, my love.
Oh, that felt strange.
I just want to say, there's always people that are gonna doubt you. Like, the world is full with people with limited belief systems, and don't let their limited belief systems put you down just because they don't believe in your dreams. All dreamers, dream on, live your dream, create it. And knowing yourself is like, if you truly know yourself, you can see easier in other people also when they're like negative or they're complaining about this. You can see the growth of people, because if you truly love yourself all the time, then Rather than complain, you will do something about the problems you have. You can like state a fact that you have an issue if you want to spitball ideas or anything and want to get it fixed, but that's a completely different story. If you're just complaining and being a bitch to people online in real life, it just shows a lot about your character. It shows who you are more than these people actually understand. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about the doubters and the flamers, because they watch the videos. I love you guys as much as I love myself, because we're all the same thing in different forms. We're like water, but different drops
In the ocean.
in the ocean. We're like the same thing, but individualized drops that are different every time. So, if you love yourself, you have no reason to flame other people. You can have opinions about them, but you can always put your opinion out there without putting someone down. Well, if they feel like a victim, it's a different story. I don't feel like a victim. I'm not feeling put down. I'm just saying it shows a lot about the character, about the people. And I thought it was a funny subject to talk about, so that. And I just want to add that psychedelics are the best meditation. It's like, if you want to reach a certain stage of consciousness where you just pure awareness, you are just consciousness, like time ceases to exist, you are one with everything and nothing at the same time, and you almost feel like this God feeling, or whatever people say it different, this feeling of source, of oneness, being one with everything. You see the connections of energy and everything. That's like meditating for a really long time. And my favorite thing is just to pop tabs, pop, 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 or some plop, plop drops. One of my favorite ways to meditate. I love all types of meditation. This video just became a ramble, and I also, if you watched this far, I want to thank you guys for watching all the videos. Thank you for the 1500 subscribers. Much love. I love you guys so much.
My
And
hand's shaking.
well, that's for this video. I'm gonna start grinding more videos. I've been a little bit lazy, but we all gotta relax sometimes and just lean back and just do nothing for a while.
I'm waving. This is a wavy
Because
video.
accepting your existence and just be doing nothing sometimes is like the best thing you can do, and just take away all the stress and just be, and literally learn how to be comfortable with doing nothing. That's a very important part of meditating constantly in your life. Just being in the flow. Because why struggle with the things that happens to us in our life? We can basically accept everything and learn from everything. So there's no need to get upset, and if you get upset, just learn to let it go. It's in the past, it happened. And now is now. The now is always amazing. And in the now you can do a lot of things. You can climb a mountain, you can smoke a joint, you can pop some tabs of LSD, you can listen to some music, you can go skydiving, you can paint, you can swim, you can just go out in nature like this and just breathe. You can go pick some berries, you can pick mushrooms. There's so many things to do in life. You can go pet some animals. Just enjoy yourself. Enjoy life. Do what you love. Love yourself, because that's like the key to everything. To unlock our ancestral knowledge is truly to just love yourself in every way. When once you overcome this picture of yourself in your mind, your ego that you built up, that you don't like this, you don't like that, you basically realize your connection to everything, and you love everything. You can still dislike and like some things more, but in the big picture you just love everything in life and accepted your existence, and whatever happens happens, and you choose to create the majority of your reality. But every choice you make in how you react to things, it's not things in life that bother you, it's your view of things in life. So it's not the thing, it's a view, a judgment that you created in your mind that's bothering you about a situation or a person or a thing. It all comes down to you. Live your life, accept existence, and subscribe or something. I don't know. Thank you guys. Peace out.